Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Tableau with Salesforce data sources, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Tableau with Salesforce data sources, start by launching Tableau Desktop. Once the application is open, navigate to the Start page. Select Connect from the left sidebar. In the To a Server section, look for the Salesforce option and click on it. Next, a login window will appear prompting you for your Salesforce credentials. Enter your Salesforce username and password. If your organization uses a custom domain, ensure to include it in the login process. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You may encounter a security prompt from Salesforce asking for permission to allow Tableau access. Review the permissions and, if acceptable, click Allow. Once authenticated, you will see the Salesforce data interface in Tableau. From here, you can choose the specific data objects you wish to work with. Select a data source, such as accounts, opportunities, or contacts. Once selected, click on Connect to import the data into the data will now load and will be available for analysis. You can use the data pane to explore fields and start building your visualizations. After connecting, remember to configure data connection settings as needed. You can also set up data refresh schedules for ongoing updates directly in Tableau. Be sure to save your workbook to maintain connections for future sessions. Utilize the data to create insightful dashboards and reports tailored to your needs. Now you are ready to leverage Salesforce data within Tableau for robust analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.